Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view blocked senders in Outlook. This is really useful if you're not receiving emails from certain people and want to check whether they were accidentally blocked. You'll also learn how to remove blocked senders or add new ones directly from your Outlook settings. So if that sounds helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Outlook tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Outlook on the web. Then, sign into your Outlook account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. It looks like a small gear icon. When you click it, a Settings panel will appear on the right side of the screen. On the left side menu, click Mail. After that, click Junk Email. Now look for the section called Blocked Senders and Domains. This is where Outlook stores all the email addresses and domains you have blocked. You can now scroll through the list and view all blocked senders connected to your account. If you notice someone on the list that you no longer want blocked, removing them is very easy. Simply click the trash bin icon next to your email address or domain. The sender will be immediately removed from the blocked list, and they'll be able to send emails to your inbox again. Now let's look at how to add a new sender. Inside the same Blocked Senders and Domains section, click Add Blocked Sender. Then type the email address or the domain you want to block. For example, you could block a full email address like example@email.com, or block an entire domain like spamwebsite.com. After typing it in, press Enter on your keyboard. Outlook will automatically save the blocked sender to your list. This is a great way to reduce spam emails or unwanted messages from certain senders. Once you're done reviewing or updating your blocked senders list, simply close the settings window. And that's it. You now know how to view, remove, and add blocked senders in Outlook using the website version. This is a very useful feature for managing spam and controlling who can send emails to your inbox. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Summary of steps. Open Outlook on the web, sign into your Outlook account, click the Settings gear icon, select View All Outlook Settings, go to Mail, click Junk Email, find the Blocked Senders and Domains section, view your blocked senders list, remove blocked senders using the trash icon if needed, add new blocked senders by clicking Add Blocked Sender and pressing Enter.